What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Temu mobile app. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can cancel your one-click payment method, so stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial, because you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help. So guys, how to cancel your one-click payment method. So first of all, we need to go to U section. In the bottom of your screen, in the center part, you click on U. And then, as you can see, there are a couple of options over here. We need to go to settings. So when you select settings, again, there are loads and loads of options. We are having country, language, currency, and so on and so forth, but we need to select your payment method, which is the second option from the top. So currently I do not have it allowed, so when you enter your credit or debit card, you're having one-click payment method. So basically it's gonna be around here. So you are currently not able to see this because this is like secured. So when you click on your payment method, you're gonna see one-click pay, which you want to turn off just by unsliding or unticking it, whatever you want to call it. So basically quite an easy process. Just go to the second option from the top, which is your payment method, and basically turn off one-click pay. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.